State and local taxes are a key consideration for manufacturing companies and have a direct impact on both financial reporting and cash flow. Manufacturers must navigate state income taxes, often across multiple states, and take apportionment, credits, and changing tax laws into consideration. Sales and use tax can be an area of both opportunity and concern for manufacturers. Many states offer exemptions for manufacturing equipment, raw materials, and utilities. These exemptions vary by state and require proper documentation, but can provide major benefits when applied correctly. For example, Pennsylvania provides manufacturing exemptions that can significantly reduce tax liability. Many states, including Pennsylvania, also offer tax incentives for capital investment, job creation, and research and development. On the flip side, local taxes such as property taxes and municipal business taxes differ by jurisdiction and add complexity to a manufacturer's tax compliance burden. Effectively managing state and local taxes helps manufacturing companies stay compliant, reduce risk, and improve cash flow.